Hello everyone, this is BB. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are making peanut butter stew, also known as Mafé. So let's get started. So these are the ingredients we are going to need. We're going to need some beef, onions, peanut butter, habanero peppers, tomato paste, garlic, and salt. Here I have a manual food processor, and I like to use one of these because it brings out more of the flavor, but if you don't have one, it's completely fine. You can use an electrical food processor. And the three ingredients that I just added in there are onions, garlic, and the salt. So you can go ahead and mash it until it has this nice choppy texture. Next, you're going to need a cooking pot, and the first ingredient that you're going to add inside the pot is some water. Mine has already been preheated, but you don't have to preheat yours. You can just let your water boil inside the pot. Next, we're going to add all the ingredients at the same time. This is the beef. That's the first ingredient that was dropped in there. And you're going to add all the tomato paste. And this is the peanut butter. And make sure you buy the creamy peanut butter, not the crunchy. And these are the habanero peppers, which are real hot. That's the salt. And last but not least, you're going to add the onion mixture in there. Close back the lid and let everything simmer for about an hour. So this is what it looks like. As you can see, there's some oil on top of the stew, and that tells you that this dish is done. And this is a very easy dish to make, and I like to serve mine on top of white rice. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss my next episode where I'll show you how to cook okra stew. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram for more great recipes. Bye!